describing my family. My mother. My mother, his name is Nelly Payares. She has green eyes. She is tall. She is straight hair. She is a very honest and working woman. She likes to cook a lot. My father. His name is Hermes Palacios. He was born ace. He was curly hair. He is tall. He is very patient man and devoted to his family. He likes to work in the construction of house and apartments very much. My uncle. His name is Luis Palacios. He was born age. He is teen. He likes to watch action movies, is respectful and collaborative. My aunt. Her name is Julia Payares, was born age. She is of thin build. She likes to cook a lot. She is a very hardworking and respectful woman. Thank you. Bye bye.